another day to remind you that we have the best pancake recipes, and if at all you haven't tried, please do, because you're really missing out on a lot. So today we are going back to the basics, and I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and easy pancake recipe, and we are going to be making the vanilla pancakes. With me are my ingredients. So from this corner I have my self-raising flour. If you do not have the self-raising flour, you can use the all-purpose flour, then add some baking powder. I have my sugar, I have some salt, I have my vanilla essence, milk and water, but you can use milk alone or you can also use water alone. I have one egg and I have some cooking oil. And without further ado, let's get started. So the beauty about this recipe is that all the ingredients are exact, and I've measured all the ingredients, so you just have to mix everything. We're also going to add a pinch of salt, and that's basically it. We basically have the best pancakes over here, so you just have to try them out. It took me some time to perfect this recipe, and I've started by adding in my dry ingredients. Then I'm going to mix this. Then I'll go in with my wet ingredients, zote. Then I'm also going to measure about a tablespoon of my vanilla. Then I'm going to whisk this till everything is well incorporated. And just like that, this is what we have. And as you've seen, it was that easy. This is the perfect consistency. So I'll proceed to the other side and we'll get started. So once my pan is hot enough, I'll go in with one ladle, just like that. Then you know your pancake is ready for flipping once bubbles form on the top part. And look at this perfect color that we have. So this is what we want for all our pancakes, and I'll continue doing this till all my pancakes are ready. So as you've seen, this is such an easy recipe, and my pancakes are done. You can see how fluffy they are. They are also soft, they are also beautiful, and you can see the perfect color. And also to add on that, they are all the same size. So this recipe gives me exactly 9.5 pancakes each and every time. And as you can see, we have the beautiful holes over there, and if you can look right through into it, you can see on the other side. That's a very beautiful recipe. Wow. Wow. This is so good. They are so delicious. Wow. Wow. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.